Welcome to the Niver Detention Dam, a flood control facility that was first constructed in 1978, one of the first projects ever built by the Mile High Flood District. The area downstream had a history of flooding, so the dam was built to protect people and property, including I-25. The dam is located in Thornton, just northwest of 88th Avenue and I-25, and serves a watershed of around 1,800 acres that extends into Thornton, Federal Heights, and Westminster. It protects downstream people and property in Thornton and unincorporated Adams County. When the dam was first built, it had a modified Type C inlet for the outlet structure. The undersized trash rack often clogged and was a big maintenance hassle. Eventually, it was modified to add a sort of birdcage-looking trash rack to prevent clogging. The outlet pipe is a 36-inch concrete pipe controlled by a 30-inch orifice plate. When the orifice gets pressurized, it leads to cavitation. Over time, the cavitation wore away at the concrete outlet pipe, exposing some of the reinforcing steel. This project was initiated by the City of Thornton. They asked for the district's help to replace several sticks of pipe and to modernize the outlet structure. A partnership was formed with RJH Consulting, Stream Landscape Architecture, Naranjo Civil Constructors, and Arrowhead Landscaping. We built a brand new outlet structure. We replaced 3 sticks of pipe within the embankment. A sloping trash rack was installed. The slope keeps floatable debris from clogging the trash rack. An opening was built under the trash rack to enable base flows to pass through unimpeded. An important depth gauge was reinstalled at the site, so we have real-time data about the water surface behind the dam. An air vent was also added to prevent the cavitation that we saw in the past. The air gets vented in these 2 towers at the top of the dam. And the depth gauge connects to the district's flood warning system at this device. We added a pair of grasscrete forebays with concrete ramps to facilitate easier sediment and debris removal. Before the grasscrete was constructed, there was a lot of muck excavation. So a lot of rock had to be trucked in to provide a stable subgrade upon which to build the grasscrete forebays. We built the forebay in 2 parts to encourage larger debris to settle out in the upstream section. The grasscrete has a honeycomb shape to it, which allows vegetation to grow up through it while at the same time providing a firm surface for maintenance equipment to drive on. As the vegetation grows in, the grasscrete will be hardly visible. And when maintenance equipment scrapes sediment out, the roots will be preserved and vegetation will re-sprout. So we get a greater water quality benefit over more traditional monolithic concrete forebays. With this renovation, we'll have improved functionality, easier maintenance, and better water quality. We look forward to another 50 years of service from this vital piece of infrastructure that protects people, property, and the environment.